So this is at the hot tub. I wired this up just like it shows in the diagram. The 30 amp black to number 1, the black from the 20 amp to number 2, the 30 amp red to number 4, the white from the 20 amp goes to 6, and then what I did is, like I said in my email, you'll see here that even though it only shows one ground going into number 7, I had 2 grounds because I had the 20 amp and the 30 amp. I twisted those together, and I have the one wire going in here to number 7. That was the one question I had. Another question I had is this is my white wire from my 30 amp fuse. It shows nothing at all in the diagram in terms of where that should go, and kind of leery about that. And that's about it, I think. Anyway, thanks. I'll talk to you soon.